अष्टमः पाठः त्रिवर्णः ध्वजः. In this lesson we are learning about importance of our national flag Trivarnaha Dvajaha. We learned many important points about our flag in previous classes. Let us move into the final part of the lesson today. प्रणवः. अस्मिन् चक्रे चतुर्विंशति अराः सन्ति. प्रणवः. अस्मिन् चक्रे चतुर्विंशतिः अराः सन्ति. So Pranav says that before we discussed that there is one wheel, blue wheel in the center of the flag. So Pranav says that in this wheel there are 24 spokes. Araha means spokes. Chaturvimshati araha. There are 24 spokes in this wheel. Pranav. In this wheel 24 spokes are there. Asmin, in this, chakre, in the wheel, chaturvimshatihi, 24, araha, spokes. Mary. Bharatasya संविधान सभायां 22 जुलाई 1848 वर्षे समग्रतया अस्य ध्वजस्य स्वीकरणं जातम्. मेरी. भारतस्य संविधान सभायां 22 जुलाई 1848 वर्षे समग्रतया अस्य ध्वजस्य स्वीकरणं जातम्. So Mary says that on 22nd July 1948 they discussed about our national flag in our parliament, Indian parliament, and they finalized this tricolor flag as our national flag. Bharatasya Samvidhana Sabhayam. Samvidhana Sabhayam means in the parliament of India. 22 July 1948 tame varshe, in the year 22 July 1948. Samagrataya, totally with complete design and total acceptance, asya dvajasya swikaranam jatam. Everyone accepted as this tricolor as our national flag. Mary. In Indian Parliament, this flag is accepted on 22nd July 1948. Bharatasya of India Samvidhana Sabhayam, in the Parliament, Varshe, in the year, Samagrataya, completely, Dvajasya of flag, Swikaradam, accepted. Tejindaraha. Asmakam Trivarnaha Dvajaha Swadhinatayaha Rashtragauravasya cha Pratikaha. Tejindaraha. Asmakam Trivarnaha Dvajaha Swadhinatayaha Rashtragauravasya cha Pratikaha. So Tejinder says that Asmakam Trivarnaha Dvajaha, our tricolored flag, is Swadhinatayaha Rashtragauravasya cha Pratikaha. Pratikaha means symbol. Symbol of Swadhinatayaha, of our independence, and Rashtragauravasya. Rashtragaurava means national pride. So our national flag symbolizes our independence as well as our national pride. Therefore it is our responsibility and it is our pride to respect our national flag. Tejinder. Our tricolor flag is symbol of independence and national pride. Asmakam, our, Trivarnaha, tricolor, Dvajaha, flag, Swadhinatayaha, of independence, Rashtragauravasya, of national pride, Pratikaha, symbol. अतएव स्वतंत्रता दिवसे गणतंत्र दिवसे च अस्य ध्वजस्य उत्तोलनं समारोहपूर्वकं भवति. अतएव स्वतंत्रता दिवसे गणतंत्र दिवसे च अस्य ध्वजस्य उत्तोलनं समारोहपूर्वकं भवति. Children, we can see that during Independence Day and Republic Day we are hoisting our national flag in grand manner. So, because as our national flag is symbol of our independence and pride, we are hosting Swatantrata Divase during Independence Day and Ganatantra Divase during Republic Day also. Asya Dvajasya Uttolanam, hoisting of this flag, Samaroha Purvakam Bhavati. It takes place in grand manner, in festival manner. As this is our national pride, we are respecting this flag during this great occasion of national festivals. Therefore, this flag is hoisted in grand manner during Independence Day and Republic Day. Atayeva, therefore, Swatantrata Divase during Independence Day, Ganatantra Divase during Republic Day, Uttolanam, hoisting, Samaroha Purvakam, in grand manner. Jayatu Trivarnaha Dvajaha, Jayatu Bharatam. Jayatu Trivarnaha Dvajaha, Jayatu Bharatam. So, Jayatu Trivarnaha Dvajaha, let our tricolor be victorious. Jayatu Bharatam, let our country Bharatam be victorious. Wishing like this, let us complete this lesson. Let our tricolor flag be victorious and let our country be victorious. So let us be patriot all the time and let us think good about our country, and being good citizen of our country, let us always think good and try to sacrifice our life for the nation. So children, being good citizen of India, let us always be patriot, be honest towards our nation, and always we must be ready to sacrifice our life towards the nation by manasa, vachasa and karmana, by mind, by speech and by act. This is our duty. Thank you, children.